Hi guys, this is Leonard and welcome to
1, 2, 3, 4.
guys. So I just noticed that most of my viewers hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Kaya naman inaanyayahan ko kayong mag-subscribe, i-hit ang notification bell, mag-comment, mag-like at mag-share para ikaw ay updated at parating nanonotify sa aking mga newly uploaded videos. At bago tayo magsimula ay shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga bagong subscribers. Jomari Random Vlog, Enthusiastic Channel, and Ladyrick 213. Mega love shoutout din sa ating napaka-supportive na kaibigan sa YT, Buhay Probinsya with Ka Freddy. Hi guys, good morning! Bago tayo mag-beach at puntahan ang iba pang mga attractions dito sa bayan ng Baler, ay ipapakita ko muna sa inyo ang aming crib over the weekend. And I welcome you to Nicholas Lodge. So this is the reception, and Nicholas Lodge is strategically located on the central business district of Baler. It is not a front beach accommodation, but it's about 10 to 15 minutes walk away or 3 minutes drive going to Sabang Beach. It's a 5 minutes walk away going to the plaza and a 3 minutes walk going to the market. If you are traveling with a big group like us, Nicholas Lodge is a perfect accommodation for you. Their rooms are very spacious that can be stretched to accommodate to 10 to 15 packs. So it's a very budget-friendly accommodation and a decent place to stay in Baler. This is their kitchen and dining area, so if you have a stretched budget in visiting Baler, you can just buy your stuff in the market and prepare the food here and eat it in their dining. This is our room. It has 4 double beds and we requested for another extra bed. It has toilet and bath. It's air conditioned. It has vanity table, television, and Wi-Fi.
The next morning.
Good morning. Good morning, housemates.
Now that my horrific incident of terror is over, how about some breakfast? The most important meal of the day.
Don Oyo, bandihado ba yan? Hi guys, this is Leonard. I am your island girl, island boy, and welcome to the gateway to the Pacifics, Aurora.
5 minutes.
Ayun na, dito ka. Ihi ka na, bilis.
A few moments later.